A leader exercise to overcome the fear of public speaking. And this is a system that I developed that the name is the 3P. The first thing that we have to do when we going to overcome the fear of public speaking is change our state. Sometimes I'm speaking on the stage and then the speakers that come to me, Harry, I cannot do it. And I say, I just taking always out of the room. We do through this process, it's very effective, and we change your state of mind. Like, if you keep thinking about your presentation, if you keep thinking about what is gonna happen, this is gonna build up. This is the second step, and it's very important. And I need you to breathe. Now, breathing is gonna calm you down, and it's very important that you remember what you have to say. And most of the time when people go blank to the stage is because the lack of breathing, and the oxygen doesn't go to your brain, and that's why you forget the content. So the only thing that's going to relax you and bring you back is breathing. So step number one, you change your state. Step number two, breathe and be present. Be present to the audience. Remember, the audience doesn't know. The audience doesn't know. The only person that knows which content is coming and how it should be is you. So if you manage yourself to change your state and to breathe and calm yourself and be present to the audience, that's what they're here for. And remember, there is something that I always said, even if you have to make a fool of yourself to get your audience, get your message, and it's never about you. It's all about the audience. It's how can you develop an experience for the audience so they can learn the most.